I'm Cynthia Miller, Realtor and Luxury Specialist with Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 3473 Cordova Drive. Located in the exclusive guard-gated community of Calabasas Park Estates. This stunning 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home spans 3,916 square feet, and it sits on an 11,143 square foot lot. The beautiful backyard retreat features a pool, spa, large grassy area, built-in barbecue and bar counter, and a huge covered patio perfect for entertaining and living the California lifestyle. Let's take a look. If you'd like more information about this lovely Calabasas Park Estate home, please contact me. I'm Cynthia Miller, Realtor and Luxury Specialist with Berkshire Hathaway.